Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be taking off the aero on the F30, which sounds like the least exciting video ever, but I'm over a lot of the things on this car, and I want to take the whole car in a different direction, as we've talked about before, so I'm not going to beat that thing to death. Today we're going to take off the aero, which includes taking off the side skirt extensions, the rear valences, as well as the front lip. Not the whole front lip. I'm going to leave the M Performance lip on there, but I am going to go ahead and take off the splitter that I made. First, I think I'll be taking off the rear bumper valences, which are pretty easy. I believe I just did like two 10mm bolts with a little, it might have even been a wing nut, but it's probably not. It's probably just a regular nut on there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off, and same on the other side. And then we'll probably move to the side skirt, at least this side. I might have to like flip the F30 around, but we'll start with these rear bumper valences. Took me about 30 minutes or so, but just got the rear bumper valences off. So next up is the side skirts. It's the next day. I got the side skirt off this morning, the first one. We got the two rear valences off yesterday, the downpipe in the other video. Check that one out if you guys haven't watched it yet. And then right now, I still have yet to put this side skirt back on. Notice how I'm utilizing my vertical space in here, as there's not a lot of horizontal space. So I need to put this side skirt back on, and then jump onto the other side, grab the other side skirt, repeat the same process, then we can do the front lip. F30 side skirts are back to stock. I've got them just up on top of the roof rack right now and out of the way. So it's been a while since we've had like stock body F30, so this is kind of cool, a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and move now to the front splitter, which is held on, I think, by a bunch of Phillips heads on the bottom. And then I'm gonna start probably by taking off these splitter rods up front here, and that should be it. The only other thing I was thinking is, since the heater's been running a bit, it's actually fairly warm in here, I might try to get my mirror caps off and put the stock ones back on. I think I'm actually just going to take the front bumper off. I forgot that I had like 10mm or 8mm nuts on the back side of a lot of like the splitter rods, and I think even the underside of the splitter, so really it'll just be easier. And I hate to say it, but less time consuming if I just take the bumper off and then put it back on when I have the splitter, you know, taken off. Up on these splitter rods, I'm pretty sure I have some nuts basically on the back sides of these splitter rods right here as they go into the bumper. So there's really just no way for me to get these off without taking the front bumper off. So I think that's what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna take it off, put it back on afterwards. I'm gonna actually wrap up today's video here because I realized I have to take the front bumper off to get the splitter off. So that's just a whole day on its own. And I've already made this into a 2-day long video, and I wanna get this uploaded for you guys. So a couple side notes, I did release some new stickers on the website. They're little slap stickers, they're sick. If you wanna go check them out, I offer them in a 2-pack and a combo pack. In the combo pack, you get like the limited edition gold sticker. And then I'm also bringing back, or I brought back, the banners. So if you guys are interested, I picked up a limited amount of these elevated media banners, so if you guys are interested in picking them up, make sure you go head to the website quickly and grab them before they're gone. And then lastly, speaking of website, I've actually changed the name from elevatedmediamerch.com to elevatedmedia.store. I think it just sounds a little bit cleaner, and you can still get to the store by hitting elevatedmediamerch.com, but if you want, you can use the new URL, which is, again, is elevatedmedia.store. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you hit that sub button, comments down below, notification bell too. Apparently YouTube like doesn't let you know when I release videos, so if you want to know when I do, make sure that bell is ticked off. And with that said, keep elevating, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.